This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Cohan. Beautifully and well-maintained, Payaya Model home. Your retreat has an open floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2-car garage. This picturesque home has a tropical saltwater pool with a waterfall. A new roof, new hurricane front door and windows makes this home up to date. Conveniently located to everything you want or need: shopping, beach, schools, and medical facilities. Autumn Woods has a fitness center, tennis, pickleball, and an active community. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Cohan at 239-370-2323.